Now, at least one economist who is also a candidate for the PNP believes the proposal for a $3 million income tax threshold is workable and it would not mean additional burden for Jamaicans. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson has that side of the story.
The PNP president made a lot of proposals and suggestions in his speech, but it was the one about the income tax threshold which left a lot of tongues wagging. I put the issue to several members of the PNP. Can this work?
Of course, this is a thing that Jamaica has been planning for a very long time. At current present, about 28% of the working population pays taxes from their income. And we believe that moving to a progressive tax system like GCT and so on, moving out of the income tax to give people the choice to spend their money is important for Jamaicans. And we believe this can work, and the PNP, if and when we come in power, will make it happen.
The people have made a sacrifice to put the country where we are, and so the people have to reap some of the benefits of those sacrifices. And, you know, it's not our intention to say everything that we intend to do, but we felt that we had the obligation to say some of those things today, and that's one of them that we wanted to put solidly on the table, that is what we intend to do when we get into government. And so certainly they can run the numbers, but it is possible for it to happen.
Now, by their own admission, it would require some deliberation and discussion to further advance it and make it work. But would it mean more taxes for the Jamaican people?
No. For this to happen, we already have the ability to do it. The current tax taking has been increasing on an annual basis, and I believe that when we give back this income to the Jamaican people, it will put them in a better position to deal with the high and rising prices and cost of living that they have been facing. Our nurses, our teachers, our doctors, and so on, they are the ones who are bearing the brunt of this tax burden. And I believe that with this proposal, it will empower them to feel as if they are working for something in Jamaica.
Remember now, you know, that the same things that we celebrate, the debt to GDP, the decrease that we've had and those things, I'm simply saying that for that sacrifice, for us to get there, it was the people who made the sacrifice, and therefore to give back some of that benefit to the people, it doesn't necessarily require any new taxation.
For more than an hour, the PNP president Mark Golding stood here and delivered his message. He made a lot of proposals and suggestions about how his party would operate if they formed the next government. Now it is up to the Jamaican people to decide if those solutions are workable. Reporting from the national arena, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.